Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting module which is nothing but platform app builder certification maintenance. So if your profile is showing maintenance due, you need to complete this module. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is maintain your platform app builder certification for winter 24. So this is going to be the quiz. Let's directly mark up the answers. So components react to changes in other components on same screen in real time would be the answer for our first quiz, followed by enable dynamic forms on mobile, followed by article personalization, followed by from Lightning App Builder or the page layout editor would be the answer for our fourth quiz, followed by 30 days. Let's check the quiz now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. So final challenge will be available in this same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.